Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. My name is Daria and in this video I will show you how to make this really cute headband. Don't be afraid, this is beginner friendly tutorial. So in the end of the video you will have this amazing headband and let's go! For this project you need 3 yarns. Choose the color and size of yarn based on your preference. I use third weight yarn with white for the background, green for the leaves and rose for the flowers. To begin the foundation row, start by making a slip knot. Next, we will create chain stitches. To form a chain stitch, go underneath the yarn over and pull through the loop. This completes our first chain stitch. Continue this process to create more chain stitches. Make as many chains as you need, adjusting for your head size. In the first row, we will work double crochet stitches across the entire first row. Skip the first 3 chains. Then insert your hook under and behind the working yarn. Next, insert the hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through just the first loops on the hook. You should now have 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through the next 2 loops. Now you have 2 loops remaining on the hook. Yarn over one last time and pull through the final 2 loops. Congratulations! You have completed a double crochet stitch. Repeat these steps. Continue this process across the entire foundation row. In the end, your first row should look like this. To start the second row and create the leaves, we need to switch from the white yarn to the green yarn. Cut the white yarn, leaving a tail. Finish the first row with the green yarn by yarning over through the last 2 loops on your hook. Now chain 4. After the steps, don't forget to tie a slip knot with the tails of the white and green yarn. Follow these steps every time we change colors. Next, make a double crochet in the same stitch. Skip the next 2 stitches and insert your hook into the 3rd stitch. Do a double crochet. Then chain 1 and make another double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat these steps. Skip 2 stitches, do a double crochet in the 3rd stitch, and then chain 1 and make another double crochet in the same stitch. Continue this pattern across the entire row. Join the green and pink yarns or your chosen colors in the same way you joined the white and green yarns. Chain 1 to secure the join. Next, you need to create a 4 double crochet cluster in the space. Make a double crochet, but don't pull through the last 2 loops on the hook. Make another double crochet, again not pulling through the last 2 loops. You should now have 3 loops on the hook. Do 2 half double crochets, leaving the last loop unpulled through each time, until you have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull through all 5 loops. After completing the cluster, chain 2 to create a space between clusters. Repeat across the row. Insert another 4 double crochet cluster into the next space. Chain 2. Continue this pattern across the row, creating a series of clusters separated by chains. Join the pink and white yarns as previously done. Chain 3 to start the row, which will count as your first double crochet. Insert your hook into the top of the double crochet stitch from the previous row and make a double crochet. In the space between the clusters from the previous row, make 2 double crochets. Repeat this pattern across the row. Double crochet in the top of the cluster from the previous row. Double crochets in the space between the clusters. Continue across the row. Do this to end the first part of our project. First, cut all tails from the project, then turn the first part of your project as shown, facing the front. Chain 1 to begin. Make 8 single crochets to create the foundation row for the wing. In each row of the project, make 2 single crochets, 2 in the white part, then 2 in the green part, then 2 in the rose part, and then 2 in the white part again. After completing the foundation row, make 7 double crochets in the next row. Be careful, as you will need to make 1 decreased double crochet in this row. First, do 3 regular double crochets. Then, for the decreased double crochet, insert your hook under and behind the working yarn, then into the front loop of the first chain and the front loop of the second chain as I showed in the video. Pull the yarn through both loops and continue with the rest of your double crochets as usual. Finish the row with double crochets. In the next row, we will continue the decreasing pattern. First, make 3 double crochets. Then a decreasing double crochet as we did in the previous row. After that, make 2 more double crochets, giving you a total of 6 double crochets in this row. Continue following this decreasing pattern until you have 2 double crochets in a row. This should take a total of 6 rows. In the last row, make 1 single crochet. Chain approximately 10-15 stitches to finish. You can make more if needed. your first wing is complete. Repeat these steps to create a wing on the other side of your project. Congratulations! You have made this tulip headband with me. I hope you enjoyed the process as much as I did. And if something wasn't clear, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I will try my best to explain things to you. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Bye bye! Happy crocheting!